Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove a saved credit or debit card from your United Airlines online account. Before your next United Airlines flight, make sure you're packed like a pro. Check out our ultimate travel packing list, everything you need for a smooth, stress-free trip. We've linked our favorite travel essentials in the description below. To start, go to united.com, then click on the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. On the field provided, enter your email or MileagePlus number. Then click on Continue. Next, enter the password. Then click on Sign In. A verification code will be sent to the number connected on your account. Enter the 6-digit code on the fields provided. Then click on Continue. Once you're signed in, you will see an option that says View My United. Click on View My United. Next, on this page, you will see an option for Wallet. Click on Wallet. On the drop-down list, click on the option that says Saved Cards. Here, on this page, you will see the list of your currently saved cards. Beside the saved card, you will see a blue drop-down arrow. Click on the drop-down arrow beside the card you wish to remove. Then under your selected card, you will see a blue text that says Remove Card. Click on Remove Card. A pop-up tab will then appear asking if you are sure to delete the selected card. To continue, click on Remove. That's how you remove your saved card on United Airlines online account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.